Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the world of trading with a focus on an incredibly powerful tool, the BingX Referral Code. If you're looking to maximize your trading experience and benefits, continue watching. BingX is a cutting-edge trading platform that provides users with a seamless experience in buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies. But what truly sets it apart? The answer is simple: the fantastic benefits you can unlock using a referral code. When you sign up with the BingX Referral Code, CHUCHU, you open the door to exclusive bonuses that other users simply won't get. Imagine starting your trading journey with extra funds in your account, all thanks to your savvy use of this referral code. Not only does using the CHUCHU referral code grant you additional trading credits, but it also allows you to explore all of BingX's features with enhanced confidence. This includes advanced trading tools, comprehensive market analytics, and a user-friendly interface designed to optimize your trading experience. But that's not all. By utilizing our referral code, you can also gain access to special promotions and reduced trading fees. This means more savings and more opportunities to grow your portfolio. It's essential to make the most of your trading journey, and entering the BingX referral code, CHUCHU, when you sign up is a step in the right direction. You not only help yourself, but also support our channel, allowing us to continue bringing you quality content and insightful tips. So whether you're a beginner ready to take your first step into crypto, or an experienced trader looking for a reliable platform, remember to enter the referral code CHUCHU during your registration. Join us at BingX and elevate your trading experience today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Crypto Kickstart. Happy trading!